Like lighting, art comes in all forms. Even guitarists deserve their moment in the sun, with illuminating effects as versatile as their tone. The Impact QL-Light has got you covered. This daylight LED floodlight is a lightweight, portable, and adjustable light source with 11,500 lux at 5,600 degrees Kelvin, with stepless dimming from 0 to 100%. Swing the barn door leaves to get the perfect light every time, from top to bottom and side to side. From music videos to professional gigs, the QL-Light keeps it cool and quiet on set with passive cooling, so you can focus on getting that interview just right. The Impact QL-3560, where versatility meets infinite creativity.